Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, stone crafts ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. Some beautiful and creative stone crafts ideas that you can easily make at home. Stones are simple, natural, and perfect for turning into amazing art and home decoration. So let's start today's video. Family stone and paint simplistic figure or cartoon face on stones. Or to represent your family, mom, dad, kids, and pets. Arrange them together on a wooden base and write out our family under it. It's super cute and make a hot fence. Handmade kids stone cannon holder weavers. Take a few round stones and stick them carefully with glue. Leave space at the top for tea lights, candles, and you can also paint the stones with white or gold for a festive look. They make elegant centerpiece for Christmas wedding or cozy dinners. And garden message tools. Paint words like hope, love, peace, welcome on smooth stones. Place them in your gardens, plants, or at your doorstep. It's a simple and beautiful way to add positive and colors to your outdoor space. Flowers art. Stones of different shapes and size on a wooden board, or including stones to from flowers, tree, or hearts. For pastel and large ones from the center or leaves. You can even write words under your design like love, just stay positive. It's a perfect craft for wall decoration ideas. Viewers and